I hate you. That's how it's gonna open up. Hi felicities, this is Jen Victor.
And you're tuned into the channel with no name.
And this is my cousin. What's your name?
Konkure. Konkure.
Well, actually, I will edit this and make sure to put his Instagram handle since he wants the follows. He's about that Instagram life. But anyways, yes, today we are doing a really quick unboxing and I'm literally on the verge of death because I didn't eat enough. We just did some damage. He did a lot more damage than I did, but we went in on our first baby. And oh, really quick, if you don't know who Konkure is, this is my cousin. You probably seen him on my Instagram.
I'm there.
Stunning, always with the aesthetic black and white look.
You probably already stalked me.
Yeah, and if you don't follow him, you really should. And so what we're gonna do today is do our first video together and unbox our first joined item that we bought because we were like, well, we feel less guilty when we put it together. So it's like, instead of spending $500, I spent $250 and you spent $250. So it's like, I saved money, right? The lies we tell ourselves.
Technically.
So I'm gonna actually let him do the unboxing because this is his first time doing an episode not just on my channel, but on YouTube, right cousin?
Basically. So if I'm a little awkward, my apologies, but I'll get there.
Cool. So do you wanna talk a little bit about the packaging and then the thought process?
MCM's holiday packaging that they just came out with recently. It's pretty gorgeous. I don't like gold. If there was a silver option, I'd be game, but he was nice enough. Shout out to
Zachary from the MCM boutique at Beverly Hills on Rodeo Drive.
So this is actually something that I've been eyeing, but since my cousin liked it too, we decided to go half.
And I will actually be bringing this cute little number to Paris, so it'll be international.
Yeah.
Can we just...
So we totally asked him to gift box it and everything.
Can we just appreciate, I really love brands. There's some high-end brands that don't even make this much of an effort with their boxes. Literally listen to that. That's gorgeous. Do you understand the interior? Yeah. It's gold. We basically, remember I said we saved money, we spent money, but yeah. We saved money.
We saved in certain aspects.
But he won't save the ribbon, but he will save the paper. Yeah. Because you want to put the things back cute in their box. It's always nice.
Yeah.
Let me actually, while he's unboxing, I'm gonna Instagram this. This is all going on the video. So yeah, you gotta show him all of it. Did he break the? No,
it's magnetic boxes like a
Coach. Doing an episode.
Wow, there's legit magnets in here.
We're keeping all of this. Oh my gosh, it's so gold for you, cousin, right? It's too gold.
Hate it. Great.
Cool.
So we can just put this somewhere. Maybe doing that.
Cool.
Okay, so
I'll hold it and then he'll talk about it. So this is the item in question. If you don't know, really quick, MCM has their own dust bag and this is their signature logo. If you haven't seen it, it's like a little what is it actually? I've never actually questioned it. I just always thought it was like a
Modern Creation Munich. It's their little crest. Not MCM like everybody else says. Man Crush Monday? No.
So excited. I'm actually really excited about it.
So, like I said, I love black and silver.
And I'm not that big of a fan, but this one...
This one actually was love for both of us.
And you gotta show them the detailing that actually sold me. So, at the very end, that's not the light.
That's actually the coloring of it. It graduates in color from black to silver. And it's pretty gorgeous. It's just an easy clutch. Throw it on everything.
Yes. So this beautiful piece, I actually don't know the name, but it's like the pattern or the pattern is called VISETOS. So you should know to some degree what you're buying. This is their canvas. And then really quick, we do want to give you like a quick tour of the inside. And so there's this beautiful zipper and, oh, it's fine. And so this is the interior. It actually comes with a zip pocket right here, which is really dope because, you know, you want to be some semblance of organized. But one of the things about the brand is, like, you know, you get a smooth, like a very smooth zipper. And really quick, yeah, like I want to just lift up, like, the selling point was the gradient because, oh god, the selling point was the gradient because, like, one of the things we like about the things that we collect is, like, most people don't have it. We like things that it's like, oh, I haven't seen that. Like, how many of y'all have seen that kind of gradient look where it's a silver melding into the black? Like, that's for me what sold me on the clutch. And I think sometimes you don't want a top handle bag. You want to, you know how, like, right now the big pouch trend is on trend? Like, this is actually on trend. But still on trend, but different and unique. Yeah. And then he's obviously wearing a perfect outfit for it.
One day we'll probably do a styling video. Yes. Comparing fashion with it.
Yeah.
To street style.
So sometimes, I think I had mentioned this, but, like, there's something so different about, like, holding a bag, right, cousin? Like, this one I just feel like there's, like, something very chic, Parisian, yes. Like, effortless, like, I'm smoking, I don't smoke, so... Vape. I'm smoking something. But I really like this overall look, and so you're gonna actually be seeing me style it first on my Instagram at Fierce Renegade because I'll be taking this to Paris, and hopefully I'll get some random person to take a picture and not run off with my camera. But yeah, I think it's, like, super chic, and it's, like, it's actually, it doesn't feel too gaudy. Like, I think it's just very simple, and it's not in your face, even though it says MCM everywhere. Like, you have to look close, like, oh, that's a brand, it's branded.
There is a Louis Vuitton version that I would want in the future. If I do fall in love with this and want to get my own piece, I'll graduate into that. It's in the Louis Vuitton Eclipse, Monogram Eclipse. So maybe something to match my phone one day.
Can you just show them that beautiful, excessive, and unnecessary item? Like, seriously, I love my cousin, but sometimes we buy unnecessary things, and that's what's fun.
So basically, I just paid off my phone. So I wanted to make sure I keep it. I ended up buying this gorgeous little folio from Louis Vuitton. Monogram Eclipse. You know, nothing too crazy. Definitely not your ordinary phone case though.
I'm so mad that sound was on this. I'm not gonna edit that out. Anyways, so this is our new VISETOS clutch in the gradient. Well, this came out to about like $257. So we split the cost between the two of us. So you feel a little less guilty since you're like, okay, I only technically spent like $130. So yeah, we're super excited. Probably not in this video, but I'm hoping to have at Kankurey, Kankurey, on my channel more, and we're gonna try to do more styling videos so you can also see how very different our styles are, but like we can work with the same pieces. Like we've definitely shared like bags that we own individually with each other, and it's always interesting to see how different we style it, and yet it speaks to both our own personal aesthetic, but also like it just shows that like these bags and these brands and these styles can be worn across different types of people. So yeah, thanks for tuning in, Felicities. I'm really glad my cousin was here. This is at Kankurey. My Instagram is Fierce Renegade, and I'll put that below and also somewhere on this screen. And then if you have any questions, if you've ever purchased MCM that's kind of spoken to you, comment down below. If you're feeling the clutch trend, if you're feeling the pouch trend, let us know. And then also if you have any questions just about like how to shop during the January-February season, you can always shoot us a message, and we'll see you at the next episode. Bye, Felicities. That's my trademark.